So let us cook the salmon. So I'm going to put some seasoning. This is my own version seasoning. So I'm gonna put, I just try to put this kind of seasoning, the chicken and the pork. So try. And this one, the black pepper. Let's put the black pepper. And then Brian, he don't like this kind of fish, so this is all for me. And this one, the cayenne pepper, because this is spicy, so I want spicy. I think there is a powder. There's a powder garlic, so I'm gonna put this also. And then the salt, a little bit of salt. My own version cooking salmon, putting seasoning. Oh my gosh, my English. So let's put an oil. And then I'm going to put ginger when I fry the fish, the salmon, because so that the stinky will gone. Because the salmon is a stinky, no? It's a stinky fish. Brian said this is a stinky. So I'm going to put ginger before I fry the fish. And then I have here a beans. I will cook it also. Mauwi akong kadato. So I will wait the garlic, I know the onions, the ginger will turn into golden brown. So and then we will put the salmon. Turn on the exhaust. So let's put the fish. Fresh. I want to make a sauce of my salmon. I have here this kind of tomato. And this is really good. I will cut the tomato. Small pieces. When I saw this in Fredmar, oh, I like the green color tomato. It's good. And I have here already a rice, because this morning I cooked the rice. then put the soy sauce. Put the soy sauce. And then the cayenne pepper. This is spicy. And then the black pepper. No. And then put a lemon here. Squeeze the lemon. Lami. Na? Let's try. Lami kayo siya. And then I boil the green beans. So, eating time. Lord, thank you for this food. Bless this, oh God, in Jesus' name. Amen. And then, this one. You do what? No, you don't want, guys.
Make sure my baby eats that spring pork. You enjoy.
Salmon up. The sauce is really good. Oh my gosh. Gigutom mo, tanaw. Pagluto mo. Gusto mo? Pagluto! I'm just kidding, guys. Punta kayo dito sa bahay, magluto tayo. Yeah? Healthy. Ang sarap ng sauce.